Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create AI talking photo. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using CapCut. So you can create account on CapCut easily and then you can access pipit.capcut.com. So we are in Pipit and then you see AI talking photo. So we are in image studio. So click on AI talking photo. So we are going to generate it. So click on it. So we are going to add some script on photo. So we are in AI talking photo. So you can upload photo and then add voiceover, then export. If you want, you can use some built-in images. So scroll down, you will see. So we are going to add photo. So click on plus icon. So this is our image. So you can select any. Done. Enable this option. After that, click on next. So click on next. If you want, you can add upload audio clip, or if you want, you can add some script. So we are going to add it. So we added this, and then if you want, you can select language. So we select English. Now you see multiple languages option, and then you see medicine in the outdoor. If you want, you can change voice. Now you see. Now close and then click on export. Name, watermark, resolution. So click on download. Video exporting. Check export progress in the taskbar. Now you see downloading 5%. Now download done and then click on save. Now save done. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.